Welcome to Insight Social Promotion's WordPress tutorial. First off, what is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system designed to present content, obviously, in ways that you would like. So there's the blog layout, which are posts, and there's static pages as well, which right here I've got a default configuration with just nothing in it, and this is what it looks like right from the start. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you have a new WordPress site is to log in. Now, a lot of times under the meta widget, you'll have a login button, but in case you don't have that login button, you can also go up here to the address bar and type in wp-admin. Here, type in the username and password that were supplied to you with your original WordPress install email. And here we are in the back end of WordPress. So now WordPress by default comes with a lot of stuff here. Don't worry too much about it. The two main things that we're going to deal with are posts and pages. These are the real meat of your website. So posts are things like blog posts, and they generally show up on the front page. Pages are static content that you can have as more like a contact page or an About Us page are good examples. So with that in mind, let's add a contact page. We'll give it a title. We'll say contact us in the field here and say will at insightpromo.com. You can format using all this stuff up here, just like you would in Word. But when you're satisfied, and because this is a tutorial, I'm going quick. There we go. I'm satisfied with that. You can click and view the page and see what it looks like. So you can see here we've got comments on by default. So we can actually change that. If we go back out to pages, then here we are at contact. We can hit quick edit. And then you can turn off comments here. WordPress really wants you to have comments, so it's in a lot of spots, but that's one of them. So there we go. Refresh that page, and now you can't comment on it anymore. Pages and posts operate essentially the same when you're editing or adding new ones. It's just that pages show up one per page, and then posts show up multiple per page. So here you can see our Hello World post that comes by default. Now if we go ahead and add a new one, we'll give it Hey Universe. Here's our inspiring post. Publish that post, and then go back over here to our page, and if we refresh, then you can see that Hey Universe, our newer post, got put on top of the old one. Now these will do things like paginate. When you have a set amount of posts on a page, it will actually give you next and previous pages, and I can cover that in more detail in another video. Well, that's about all there is for basic functionality. If you want to get your website set up and up and running, add a couple of pages for contact and about us, and then add a few posts that say current news for your business. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any questions, please make sure to add them in the comments or send me an email.